this stream is mainly about, as you can see, I was going to build this library management system. Let me open Node.js. I'm sorry, there you go. So, where was I? The last class that I've, not class, the last stream that I've done was I was trying to make some CRUD operations. So you can see the CRUD operations. So we have made the table in the Postgres database. Now we need to populate it. So the things that I've done so far was to connect the database first of all to Postgres. How did I do that? I have generated an URL and then made an engine. Then I learned what an engine was. An engine is a basic connection to the database. और क्या करा मैंने और मैंने उसको इंजन के साथ एक चीज़ को सीखा मैं सेशन मेकर बोल के एक चीज़ है वो एक फैक्ट्री क्लास है सो I didn't really deep dive into what factory classes were. I wanted to learn it in every aspect. So वो एक चीज़ चली उसके बाद and I've gone to make sessions, then I want to make sessions, and after that I started learning decorators in Python called path operations were essentially decorators. We are writing decorators, so what were decorators? Decorators in Python were a kind of wrapper function that is dragged onto the function to add more functionality. Basically, decorators add more functionality without changing the whole function, without even touching the function. It just adds functionality without changing the ground code of it. So again, reusability increases just because of decorators and stuff. And we write decorators because there is an underlying thing that goes on when we say when we make a path. So there is underlying functionality that detects the route and does other things. So after that we are writing just another additional functionality just to say if someone hits this route, run this def create user return something. Clear, making sense up until now? Let's go and write some path functions today. Hopefully let's write all of the user functionality. I will definitely use a little ChatGPT here, but I won't generate code from it just to understand how things happen. I will definitely use ChatGPT because I've actually done all of this before, but I forgot because like I have like a goldfish brain. What's the code? Post operation. So there are different types of path operations: get, post, delete, and all that. What I was focusing on basically was post operation because if you want to make a table, make a row in a database, we need to understand post operation, right? Let's say we were to add a user to a library system, so we need to understand how post operation works. So that is what I was trying to understand before. So we have made the table in Postgres database. Now we need to populate that. Yeah. Say we have user table, we have users table, and a user is to be added. Hence, we expect data from the front end, right? We cannot just populate as storage ourselves. We can't, but we can make them using ORM. So how can we make it using ORM? So what is ORM here? Let's go to that point and so let's say let's say using ORM is what? SQLAlchemy, right? I think I've seen that. I've gone through that before. ORM is this I don't really remember the full form of it, but as far as the meaning is concerned, an ORM is basically something that acts as an intermediary between the database and Python. So that we don't really need to write direct SQL SQL queries. So we can just use ORM, and ORM creates Python objects as well. That's what I've learned. So first off, so getting back, using ORM, let's see how we can create a row. So user is, we write a table's name. User, what was the table's name? Let's go to that. Okay, so this is what I was writing, no? FastAPI practice. I got, get this there. I'll see. I'll go to the model. I'll see the class is named U, capital USCRM. It's so funny that we have to take care of all of this. What do you say? The capital letters. It's case sensitive. So I'll be careful with that. So how can we write? Let's just directly write user of, um, what do we have? The fields that we have that we can give. First of user model hierarchy, then name. User ID is primary key, and primary keys are assigned by the database itself, so I don't think I have to update that. And join is also something that is updated. I just wanted to represent the time at which someone has joined the library system, so I included that. So contact and user ID is something that I have to focus on. Let's say user ID is Rambabu, Rambabu, and I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. Let's see. Users table, by users, users, right? And what is the other thing? What is the other thing, bro? Contact. Contact. Contact is the people. Sorry, number log. Let's assume that this is the contact number, and this user is not accessed. Let me just print the type of this, just to remember what I used to do. Let's see. And UV call. I don't know why, bro. One of the things that I've been feeling difficult, I shouldn't be saying this out loud, but one of the things that I keep forgetting was how to run the main file itself. So UVcon app dot, no, nothing dot, so I don't remember. Okay, cd app, I need to go into that, that's what I remember. And you need to do UVcon app from the main file in it. Excuse me for my quality. Main, make it negative, reload, right? How reload? Okay. Is it like could not import module app? Okay, I might be doing this in reverse. Let's try that. App. Oh, cat. Did this run? Here is not supposed to be built. I have done something. Dot database importer, and then attempted relative import with known parent package. Maybe this is the problem. Where is the model? does this actually mean? I know that I'm doing something wrong with importing and stuff. Let's try to get a little hint. See where this is supposed to. Import as I attempted relative import with one get package. Usually happens when you have something like from.database import engine and you're running the file python main directly. Python treats main.py as standalone script and has no name. So what should I do? Oh, okay, I should be running the package from the root, or I should be doing this. Let me do that. Now I remember. App.main में app वाला उसको चलाना है. So cd data. I do this. Now this should run. It did. Nice. Oh my god. I invited the friend user though. Okay, I didn't hit the route. What the hell? API dog. I'll go to my API dog. I'll see. Let me put it here. Or let me put it right here. Sneeze, sneeze, baby. On my horse. Sneeze, sneeze. Why don't I just make another endpoint over? Let me make another endpoint. I'll get the URL from this. This is a new endpoint. I need to be hitting users. Users. Yeah, users. And I should be, what should I be doing? I should be posting things. So it's a post request that I'm putting in the route user, right? And maybe save this, or I will be needing this. Um, Make new users, add users, add would be nice. Add users, save, right? Okay, I haven't sent anything, and it has been expecting something. So that might. Wait a second, I'll lock my door. I didn't get print. It should be present. Unprocessable entity. Alright. I mean, missing all that. Should I be sending an empty JSON just so that body JSON? Can you send this? Okay, it still says missing key. it automatically closes as far as I remember. Because I wrote this function called getDB. So let me show that. Show it to you. So where is that? Let me go to my database file, and you can see I wrote this function called getDB, which actually makes an object from database, makes an object from the session local, which is an object from session maker. So session maker is the factory here, and session local is the object, and we'll call the objects callable and initiate to bind it to database DB, and we will say we try yield DB, and once DB is yielded, then it closes. And as far as I know, what yield is, I mean, as far as I am concerned, as far as I've learned, was yield is something very close to return, but it doesn't really cut you off from the function itself. If in a function, let's say we ask someone to return 5, and we write a line of code below it, it would definitely not run, right? If you return 5, it will definitely return you 5 here, and it will cut the function off. But yield is a little different, where you ask for yield actually pauses and waits until DB gets what? Like DB gets written, and after that it will continue the function. Finally, DB.close happens. Alright, so I'll go to main. So what I'm trying to do is, how do I hit this up without, how do I call it manually? I have the session from get underscore DB, right? Alright, alright. Not exactly your dependency looks like this. Get DB does not return a session. What do you mean it does not return a session? It does. It returns a generator. Okay, that's interesting. I don't really know what a generator is. DB is get DB. Okay. Ask generator to get the actual session manually. Excuse me. Not private. What do you mean, bro? That me? Why can't I just share the URL? Like, let me share it to myself, and I'll. Just a second, I'll be right back. How do I share a starting screen, dog? I can't share screen. Hey. Hey, nothing would appear though. There is that guy. it on me, guys. Come on, please, now. मैंने तेरी से मांगा था. For free. So where are they? Alright, I'll talk about home. I have no idea what this guy's talking about. Why can't I? Okay. Yeah. If your dependency looks like this, getDB does not return a session, it returns a generator. Yeah. Wow. What the fuck is a generator? And what is this? It can be implying dog. What is a generator? Generally, a function gives back a value with return. Okay. A generator uses field instead. The get number x is not right. It's a generator object that knows how to produce values that are. I mean, I know that. See, FastAPI raises a shell to retrieve the route and query afterwards. What does depend get db mean? It basically FastAPI is saying before calling the function, call get db and give me whatever it yields. Alright, and I'm doing something like this. Okay, just a second. What the hell? Didn't I use that? I did, right? I did use that. What the hell? Oh, if you so what's wrong with this? I mean, I am trying to generate did, and how do I run this? That's what I've been asking about. Rotate in the RUD. I have some BGM? What do you mean? Hi, can you hear me now? Hey! Hey, 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 can you hear my voice? Hello, hello, hey. We have a fucking 2 minutes. So how do I? Hi, Aryan, this is not. Hurt me, baby. Wow. Oi.
Hello, hello. I guess you can hear me now. Hello,
Oi.
hello, hello, hello. I guess you can hear me now. Hello,
Oi.
hello. Thank you, Kushag, for helping me out. Bro, you know what I was doing? Hello.
I was
I
streaming
guess you
with
can
my
hear me now.
fucking earphones on, bro.
This has to be the worst fucking first team ever. Now, I guess we can continue from here though. Okay, bro. So where was I? I was like, what was I doing? Fuck this shit, bro. Still, let me check it again.
I
Maybe. Hi. Hi. Hello. Ah, thank God.
so where was I? What was I doing?
Mm, so I was just gonna write this. Bro, why can't I even print a function, bro? Let's just see. Where was I? Run this. Okay, I can do that. Oh fuck, bro! I should have just returned the JSON dog. Why would I try to print this? Let's just return JSON. What should I say? Type type or user, right? Hopefully, but unintended does not match your outer indentation. Okay, bro. Okay, this should work. Let's just hit the motherfucking thing. Let's see. Come on, man. I'm sorry. I think we can hit the server right now. Let's see. Let's see. Detail not found. Bro, fuck off. This has to be funny. By the way, why can't I see the chat? Bro, I have to watch a YouTube video or something, bro. I have no idea. So, why is the detail not found? I have no idea, man. Let's see. Friend. Okay. Oh, wait, I can do that. Model पे जाके नहीं मेल पे जाके you know what I'll do? I'll just get the type of the user and print this and also return a JSON. Return a JSON. Okay. Mm, MSG done. Done. Right? And let's just see. Let's just hit the server. Application startup complete. restart the server again. Oh, that is the reason. What the hell? Okay, now I get it, bro. What the fuck? Let me run the server again, and this is what I found. Cause I was seeing in the wrong route. Users may. What do I get? Hmm, should I go to API dog? Okay, that's gonna give me an error because I didn't send anything. 401 I got. Let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. Now I get it. So let me just copy all of this and go to a browser. I'll fucking see. Fuck is wrong with this shit? Slash users, bro. Or okay, better than that. I'll go to the tops of this and I'll go to post and I'll try it out, I guess. And let's just check what has happened. Hmm. I guess I still am doing something wrong. So click on try it on users. You execute the request, the root runs. Okay, that's what I did though. Copy the request. The value schema is that. Wrote it correctly. Man, why do I still not see the fucking print, bro? What do you mean? Did I get the print? Still, I'm not getting the print. Okay, let me read it again. ChatGPT should help me out this time. Motherfucker, message done. It's the same thing, bro. Mhm. Okay. So where was I? Okay. Essentially, he just added another print indentation. Yes, whole indentation because the users there. You don't need that, so I just did that and return. What should I return? A JSON essentially because you can't return something else. You can just return a JSON because JSON is somehow related to this web page, right? So I'll just do a message. I'm gonna say done, and server should start again. When I started again, this. Let me just get there. Accepted. Validation error. Schema. Right. What validation error is this? Okay. Let me go to schema then, and I'll check. What did I write, bro? This contact is integer. And what did I do, sir? I just wrote a fucking string. How dumb am I? I should just fucking. Okay, I should stop swearing. And let's hit the route again, bro. It's a string. Validation error. Okay, okay. Let me just see what has happened. Let me just open this here. This here. I need space. I need space. I need space. Yes, thank God. I've been through too much for this fucking fucking stupid thing. I mean, I just want to print out which class what do you say? Belong to. What the fuck? Yeah, which class they belong to. So this is the class. App.models.users is the class. So user is a object of app.models.users. That's what I wanted to say. So we can actually do something like this, but and after making this object, we commit it. So we can just say db dot no committed. It is already committed. We can just close the database so that it actually gets updated. So let me just say if I wanted to update a row, then I would just close the session, right? Almost, if you update an over an object, there are usually three steps. So you can change the object. Nay, okay, he's not. Oh, my wording was wrong. If I wanted to add a row, add after making the teach me baby. Not quite creating. Okay, I thought we would just db dot add it, right? Maybe do we have to commit it to only creates a Python object in memory? Nothing has been written on database yet. Oh fuck! So I need to add it, commit it, and then close. Maybe I don't need to close it because it closes it automatically, doesn't it? Hey, so let me get the window right here. What I was asking was this: can't we just not close it? Not close. What the fuck? Close it. Cause uh, like get underscore db does that. Yeah, exactly. Inside a FastAPI route, that just depends. Usually, do not. Thank God, thank God. So I wasn't wrong myself. So now I get it. Now I get it. Let me note this motherfucker down. So to users table, and I'll just get the teach me baby using all, you can just update it like this. So and then you add it like db dot add and commit it too. So that is using ORM, right? You can use an ORM to write the uh, post request. So we have done that, and we can also do it from the schemas with the help of front-end too. So we have something like, at least we can do it from docs, or we can have something like API doc for that. So this is a website. I don't know what do you say. This is an app that helps you hit servers that you have locally. So I've pasted the URL here of the route, and then I can just hit it up like this. So what is it? Name. What is the name? And also we can't just hit it without any, what do you say? Uh, Without any constraints or without any validations. Because what if someone's going to say if someone, if the backend asks you a number, and what if he's going to type it in English? It doesn't make sense, right? You can't just type 6 7 just like that, right? You have to give it as a number. So this is one of my friends said yesterday while I was like talking about the whole stream and stuff, was how it is kind of funny that how in C we have strict data types like int, string, and Python doesn't have them. But when it comes to validation and stuff, validation is basically restricting your data type, right? It is like making you expect something from that data type. It is funny that how Python, when it comes to um, hitting up the backend and stuff, it definitely needs that data validation. What do you data validation aspect of it. So let me write the name Kushag. Shout out to my only stream viewer. I don't think he is viewing it right now. We are gonna see his supreme schizo, bro. Form post break. You're on to page. So when I was like, bro, why am I taking this long just to revise things? So name, Shag, contact. Should I leak his fucking number? No, he's gonna beat my ass off. So I'm just gonna give some random contact and let's see if I could hit the server. Message done. Oh, thank God, bro. This didn't take that long. So I have hit the server successfully. What is that? Why am I not getting it? Teach me, baby. Okay, I've hit the server successfully. Now, uh, so I just made that. So user now, so user now, as I've written in the what, like the parameter itself, user is this, and what is this? This is called type hinting. So we are hinting the type that it is the schemas object. It is a pydantic object that belongs to schemas dot user input. Let's see if this actually works. Let's see if uh, which type of object it is. Let's see. Just I'll try to hit it up again. Send message done successfully. So message done. Yeah. Name, Kushag, contact, whatever. And class, it belongs to app.schemas.user input. So it is an object of schemas. Okay, thank God I understood that. Top fans, Kushagra and Vishu Haljela. Shout out to both of you guys. Thank you for rating my stream. I just don't know why I can't see you guys chat, bro. What the fuck? I'm able to connect the chat. Try again later. Hey, why can't I see the chat, bro? Live chat. Bro, now I get it. Close. Bro, how are you able to cuss in your house? It's my room, bro. I lock it up. Please don't open WhatsApp here. I was just gonna do that. Oh my god, shout out slave bitches. What the bro, shut up. Okay, I'll do it. Slay bitches. Guys, can you send me a super chat of 30 rupees? I wanted to buy some Manchuria. Please! My fam is kinda homeless. Send me money. Ah. Ajela can't escape my classes, bro. I'm so sorry. Great job, study tight. The only thing that is tight is my asshole, bro. I'm clenching it. Because I don't understand anything, bro. I am so sad. As Kushagra said, what the fuck, bro? I am just chat GPTing it right here too. I mean, it's like it's like a live of my incompetence. I'm putting it out there that I can't do shit. I mean, hello. अभी आता हूँ मैं मुझ के start doing it again. Bye guys. I'm back, guys. Let's do it again. So where was I? So let me open this. So one thing that I was trying to do to make distinction between these two objects of Pydantic and SQLArm object. So these two are two different things, right? So whenever I have to make this path operation, I have to look for that. So first of all, what we have to do is to convert by first off. Let me write it in. First off, what we have to do is to convert the Pydantic object into